Welcome to the most important race of history. Before we begin, subscribe to Video Creator for more amazing stories of life. Your existence began with a massive event, a chaotic start line involving 300 million competitors vying for a single prize. The mere fact that you are here today proves that you are a natural-born champion, surviving the ultimate biological lottery. Imagine running a marathon where the finish line is miles away. Scaling relative distance to size, it is a 20-kilometer run. To move forward just 1 single centimeter, a tiny sperm must lash its tail thousands of times with incredible, tireless energy. This is not a simple sprint on a smooth track, but a perilous journey through a dark and hostile biological landscape. The journey begins with a strict quality control, where the lifestyle and health of the father determine the initial starting strength. Those who are not perfectly formed or lack sufficient energy are immediately left behind, unable to even begin the arduous ascent. The first major physical barrier is the cervix, a gate that remains tightly closed for most of the month, blocking entry. Thick, maze-like mucus acts as a sticky trap, catching thousands of swimmers who lack the brute strength to push through it. Timing is everything in this race, as the gateway only opens during a very short, specific window of time during ovulation. Suddenly, the environment turns hostile as the mother's immune system detects foreign invaders and launches a massive, aggressive defensive counterattack. White blood cells swarm the area without mercy, destroying over 2/3 of the remaining population in a fierce microscopic battle. Surviving the immune attack, the remaining few enter the uterus, a vast ocean that requires immense endurance to cross without getting exhausted. They now face a critical decision point, needing to choose between 2 fallopian tubes, but only one holds the waiting prize. Choosing the wrong direction means the end of the road, a silent dead end where millions of hopes simply fade away. Finally, the destination appears in the distance, a massive, glowing sphere that represents the ultimate goal for the tired survivors. From the original millions, fewer than 500 elite swimmers have managed to reach this stage, the best of the very best. The egg is not passive. It is surrounded by a tough, protective shell that requires a collective effort to finally breach. Only one single competitor will break through the barrier, delivering the genetic code that will define a unique new human being. As the membranes fuse, a chemical reaction seals the egg, marking the official beginning of a miracle and a new life. You are that miracle. Thank you for watching this journey on Video Creator. Please like and subscribe for more cinematic science.